Hey guys, I'm Muskan. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are doing Diwali makeup tutorial, which is completely under budget and super easy to do. Now without further ado, let's see how I created this look. So firstly I'm using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and now I'm just taking a little bit of primer and then apply it on my face and gently massage into my skin. Next I am using Plum Face Oil. Now I'm using this Daily Life Forever 52 Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation in the shade FLF006. And I'm just taking a foundation onto my back of my hand and then using a beauty blender just to apply and blend this foundation into my skin. I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Medium Beige. I'm just applying this concealer under my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, and a little bit on the chin area as well as the center of the forehead. Now I'm using this Sugar All Set to Go Banana powder. I'm applying a good layer of this on all over the area where I applied the concealer. After applying it, I'm just using the same beauty blender and just to blend it all. Now I'm using Sugar Face Forward Blush Stick in the shade 02 Pink Prime and apply apple of my cheeks and little bit of my nose and blend it. Now I'm using Root Cosmetic Bikini Bottom Palette. This palette is firmly pigment. So firstly I'm using this brown color. I'm using this color as a transition color. dark brown color onto my outer corner. Now I'm using this color. Next I am using Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Gel Kajal. Using same eyeshadow palette, and I am using this shade onto my lower lash line. And now for the brows, I am using this Swiss Beauty Shape My Brows palette shade 01. Curling up my lashes with an eyelashes curler. Next I am using this Maybelline New York Colossal Volume Mascara. I am just applying a thick coat of mascara onto my lower lashes as well as my upper lashes. Riyo makeup fixer. I'm just spraying it all over my face. Next I am using this Sugar Paste Forward Highlighter Stick in the shade 02 Royal Rose. And for the lips, I am using this Sugar Matte Attack Lipstick in the shade 01 Bold Play. the final look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and happy Diwali to everyone. And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.